How to find the archived chats on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to open the Messenger app in your Android. Just you have to click on the Messenger app. You can see at the left top corner there are three lines. Just you have to click on the three lines and you can see different options here. We are going to find the archive chats. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. We are going to find the archive chats on Facebook Messenger. Just we have to click on archive. Here you can find this chat is being archived on Messenger. You can also unarchive that chat. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.